That's right, folks. It's the Vagrant's Valet, and today we are out on the streets giving rides to the homeless folks wherever we may find them. And every once in a while, if there's a stranger just walking along, we'll go ahead and get him out of the rain and give him a ride too. Hey man, you need a ride somewhere? I can get you to where you need to go. It's free.
Thank you.
Why not? Take a load off.
I appreciate it.
Well, of course. It's a little cold. It's a little windy. Why not just ride in luxury? I can get you to wherever you need to go, my friend.
Where are you going?
I'm just out and about. I was gonna go out to the stadium.
Okay, how's that direction?
Yeah. What's your name, man?
Joe.
Hi, Joe. I'm Zook.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, it's getting a little breezy. What do you got going on today?
Going to work.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Where do they have you working these days?
At Circle S down the street at gas station, convenience store.
Oh, how's the crowd these days? Do they ever get rowdy in there?
Occasionally, but it's rare. Yeah.
What, do the students come in after they've had a couple cocktails? And
they used to when I worked third shift. Now we close at 11, so I don't even see them.
Why do you close at 11?
I don't know that myself, to you, Tree.
You know, things used to be like open all the time.
24/7.
Yeah, especially gas stations. Well, are you a Bloomington native or?
Oh, been that way for about the last 37 years.
Oh well, that's back since Perestroika.
Just about.
What? Where were you before Bloomington?
Oh, Fort Bragg, North Carolina.
You were in the service?
Oh yeah.
All right.
Yeah, that's me right here.
Oh. What was your capacity?
Oh,
my turn here.
Paratrooper, yes.
Oh, you're a paratrooper?
Yeah.
Did you free fall or were you on the line? Or?
Did all static line jumps.
Oh.
Yeah. Can't get you a drink or anything?
Oh no. I'm fine, Joe. I'm fine. Did you go overseas? Were you in Germany or anything?
I got to go to England. Was there for a month training with the British paratroopers.
Were they any good or?
It was fun.
Oh, well, there's a lot of camaraderie there. I can see a smile on your face there.
We was at the bottom of the hill from Windsor Castle. I don't remember. It was the British Horse Guards.
The SAS, right?
No, there was a small armored regiment, like those little Scorpion tanks. I think they ran about 10 tons.
Well, I'll tell you what, back then we were still worried that the Soviets, the Warsaw Pact, was going to come through the Fulda Gap there in Germany and start a bunch of funny stuff. Well, Lady Thatcher was the prime minister when you were over there, right?
Yep.
The Iron Lady.
Yep.
Right on. Those were...
Reagan was president at the time.
Yeah, and Helmut Kohl was the Bürgermeister of Deutschland. Oh man, the memories are flooding back.
It's been a while, hasn't it? Damn.
Yeah. Ding ding. All right, well, hey, I'm glad I could get you going in the right direction there, Joe.
Thank you for that.
Ding ding. I'll stop in sometime.
You got it. Drinks on me.
You know what? The handle's broke.
Gotcha.
You can. It's a Korean car. No, we love the Koreans. They make good cars. I'm a little hard on the handle, I guess, around here.
Gotcha. I heard they got in trouble lately. Their cars were too easy to steal.
Oh. All right. You have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
See ya. Adios.
Yeah, we're good.
Ding ding. Well, there's a guy who's just on his way out to work there, and had a gracious, neato story about being overseas out of Fort Bragg, North Carolina. Hoorah! Ding ding.